What's going on, guys? I wanted to show y'all a video real quick of this application I made to help manage your computer, whether that is you're having issues with it doing some weird buggy stuff, network, you're not able to update Windows because it keeps running into errors, whatever the case may be. I made this utility tool to help you deal with all that. It also will update all your applications all at one go. You don't have to go manually open one and hit update or whatever. So it pretty much does all that. And I just wanted to walk y'all through it, see what y'all think. So if I ever send it out, or if you're looking for something, you know what you're getting into. So I'm gonna go ahead and go to my GitHub, which is here. I'll put this link in the description, and you're gonna see. Is this the original page? Yeah. Okay. You're gonna see this here. There'll be different releases. Currently, it's 2.3. You'll click on the release like I just did. And then you'll take the source code .zip and download it. And then we're going to open that. So it should be in your downloads folder. So here it is. I'll open it. I'm going to extract it. As soon as it gets done extracting, there it is. And it's going to be an exe. And since you downloaded it from the web, your computer is not going to recognize it because I don't have a license to pay for. So it's going to give you a warning since you got it online that, hey, are you sure you want to run this? And as everything that you get on the web, this is normal procedure. Just saying, warning, it's an unrecognized app because the publisher is unknown because I do not have a license. You're just gonna go ahead and say run it anyways. Once you do it once, it should never pop up again. You're gonna allow it should pop up like this, and it's pretty self-explanatory. You hit the numbers for whatever you need. So, for instance, I'll show y'all system cleanup because I probably need to do that. So I'm gonna hit 1. I'm gonna delete all my temporary files. And it's just going to go through the motions. And oddly, it crashed. Not sure why we crashed. We should not have crashed. Be making another version and looking into the bug that crashed. Let me get it relaunched. Alright, so something in there is crashing, and I think I know what it is. That's something I'll have to fix. But the other thing you could do is, let's say a network reset. Let's go ahead and do that. It's gonna go ahead, make sure that any things I have going on are gonna get reset. So it's gonna pull my card, and then it's gonna say, hey, look, this is your DNS, and flush the DNS, all the good stuff. Release your IP, renew your IP. Pretty much anything that you might have network related should be able to fix. 5 is pretty cool. It'll load up all the information about your computer, anything and everything that you might need. Everything that's running, it's still loading. There we go. All my installed files and programs, anything you might need. Hit enter to go back. I'll go ahead and hit update all my applications with 6. It should be pretty much fully updated because I just ran this. Right now it's thinking, it's looking through your computer to see what you got. Look, so these are all a few that have need upgrades. And then the other 2 here that I don't think it's going to be able to. Yeah, exploit targeting. So there's 10 total found updates for, but these up here are what it's going to try to update. These 2 down here, it's not going to be able to. And now it's in the process of making the updates go. Usually you'll see a bar go across. It's probably taking its sweet time to find it. There it goes. And some of these may fail because you are running administrator mode, and oh, look, that's one right there. Um, Obviously we need administrator mode to run most of these commands in this tool, which is why it's enabled. But certain applications like this, they're probably saved local to your profile and not to the computer, and that's why it does not need admin rights. No, I went ahead and skipped ahead because those took a while, but we're here, we're back on the same screen. Um, so yeah, there's a few things you could do. You could install the program manager, which will pretty much allow you to list all the programs on your computer and see what needs updates. Instead of running just the 6 one here, update all programs, you can install 7, and you can actually see them one by one and select. It pretty much gives you a GUI menu. If we go to other, I can tell you about my tool, which is the minimum stuff that needs to be installed for it to work, which is pretty standard. Just know that it may not work on Windows 8 or lower or whatever. So Windows 10 and up should work. Windows 11 23H2 is the most recommended, because you may run into other issues if it's older than that. I don't know, pretty standard stuff I'd say, but that's there in case y'all need information. If you need help running this and you have issues, you can always hit 2. This will go through all the all the information, everything. Give you details. You can contact me if you need any help. Same thing for security. Tells you how to inform me of security issues. If you find any on my program here, you can report them to me. Number 6 is a Windows utility. That is another tool that someone else has made. I'm just giving you a cheat code or shortcut to it, which is very useful if you want to customize Windows to, I don't know, let's say not have all the pre-installed apps or something. You can take it all off. Enable Verbo. Basically, when you turn on and off your computer, you get information on what it's doing rather than just spinning, saying, turning on, loading, waiting, whatever, restarting. Instead, it'll actually tell you what it's doing. And then, for fun, we added the pranks menu. Yeah, there's a few things in here. Not really gonna demo them because they're more of a joke. They're not that serious. They're just something here to play around with. Anyways, this is just a quick utility that I created. I wanted to share with you guys. So yeah, if you ever have any issues, these are gonna be the main commands to look at. So I hope you guys enjoy it, and I'll see y'all in the next one.